Wise card not working online fix. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to fix it when your Wise card isn't working online. Step 1, check your balance. Make sure you have enough money in the right currency. Step 2, enable online payments. Go to card settings in the Wise app and turn on online payments. Step 3, check merchant or country blocks. Try using the card on another website to test it. Step 4, update or re-add the card. Remove and add the card again or regenerate a virtual card. Step 5, check for security blocks. Look for alerts in the app in case Wise blocked the card. Step 6, contact Wise support. If nothing works, contact Wise support in the app. Pro tips, use the correct currency, keep alerts on, and regenerate virtual cards if needed. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Wise card that's not working online.